Hey, this is controversial, but salt is 3 times stronger than the blue pill and can make any man rock hard. Most men think that what makes it go limp is age, genetics, or diets. Because of that, they stuff themselves with blue pills and it risks their lives and still, ends up with a limp noodle. But let me tell you a little secret, all right? My best friend's boyfriend learned from a dysfunction specialist that made him never feel ashamed in bed again. Now he leaves my friend speechless and weak in her knees. And this is my best friend that told me this. So after bringing her to the peak of bliss over and over again, and even then the next morning, he wakes up hard all the time and he's 61, guys. So yeah, my friend told me this, guys. So basically, he puts younger guys to shame, and all he does is follow a simple recipe with salt and 2 other ingredients every night before bed. This doesn't take 15 seconds, but it's so powerful that just walking from the kitchen to the bed turns his little buddy into a raging anaconda, a true natural Viagra. But, I can't tell you much. I can't show you how to make it here because the platform prohibits such content. It's very stuff. And if I show it here, it will be taken down in just like a minute. So I'll leave the link below to watch the recipe. Just click the link to access. But let me warn you, watch this alone and with headphones because it's really hot. I mean, your wife will thank you for learning this recipe. She won't be able to take her eyes off what you have down there in your pants. So click the link to get the step by step right now.